Friends, please apply this, and there's some fertilizer here for enormous flowering in adeniums. Here I am showing you the 5 example tips. You just follow these 5 tips and you will get enormous flowering within 1 month. Just have a look. I am giving you the total guidelines here, the 5 steps, step by step. First step, you have to prune all the stems at the top position, leaving behind only 6 inch of the stems only, and from the top position, from a sharp cutter or sharp knife, just remove the stems from here. This is the first step, and the cut portion should be all these. Apply some fungicide. This is the fungicide here, sap fungicide. This is the mixture of systemic and contact fungicide. Make some solution and apply here in order to prevent it from fungal infection. This is the first step you have to do in the summer month. From February, March, April, May, you can do this process, and for the enormous branching we'll see. After 10 days, you see new branches are come out, and you have to remove 2 inches upper layer of soil from your pots or your containers. Just take out the 2 inches of soil layer from above. I am saying apply some spade or some khurpi and loosen the soil and remove, and make sure you are not going to damage the roots. Don't damage the roots of these plants, and lightly remove the soil layer, top position soil layer above 2 inch only, and just see how I am. And the new branches already come out in 10 days only, and I am removing soil from here, and this is the total C. And after removal of the soil, keep these pots in full sunlight for around 1 hour or 2 hours for the dry friction or drying the pots here for the soil here. And after that, I am showing you these are the all new branches already come out, and as many branches come out, there will be more and more flowering. And now I am showing you the next step. What you do have to, you have to apply fertilizer, but before that you have to keep it 1 to 2 hour direct sunlight for giving a bath of sunlight for 1 or 2 hour. And I am removing rest of this soil, top soil, from 2 inches from here, and I am removing here 2 inches soil from here. And after that, I will be showing you what fertilizer you have to make, what the mixture, accurate mixture of fertilizer. Just apply that fertilizer, and this is the easiest process. And the fertilizer you apply around, take 4 fistful of this vermicompost or cow dung compost, and apply 1 fistful of super phosphate, and 1 or 2 fistful of bone meal if you have. If you don't have bone meal, you can skip that part. And now apply 2 teaspoonful of NPK 19 19 19 or 20 20 20 NPK. Apply around 2 teaspoonful of this mixture NPK, 2 teaspoonful of NPK, and then mix 1 teaspoonful of potash. This is the muriate of potash. This is for flowering, enormous flowering. This will help in enormous flowering. 1 teaspoonful of muriate of potash here, add it, and then mix it properly. And this is for 4 containers. This is for 4 containers only, around 8 fistful. In each pot you have to apply 2 fistful of this mixture, fertilizer mixture. And wherever you have removed the soil from here, any of the pot, you just apply 2 fistful in each pot. Just see how I am applying, and around the pot here you see, and 2 fistful in each pot. So this is the mixture I am applying, 2 fistful of this here. And now cover with the same soil that you have removed earlier. Cover it around 1 inch, fill it up again 1 inch with the same soil that you have earlier removed. And this is the full procedure, and this is the all procedure. Now I will be applying water, and final procedure I am giving you. Please watch the entire video to learn the full procedure. So this is the here applying this soil mixture here, soil that I have already removed, and now I am doing the process here. You see, this is only now final process is the apply fungicide. This is a mixture of systemic and contact fungicide, any brand, sap, babistin or any kind, and apply 1 to 2 teaspoonful in 5 liters of water, and just mix it properly. and dissolve it properly, the fungicide, and apply in soil, as well as drains the plants totally. Apply this. This is the, I am shaking it well, and now I show you. This is the application on the soil as well as on the plants. So this is the full procedure how to get maximum flowers within 15 days. You will see lots of branches. In 1 month you will see the full of flowers of these plants. This is the massive flowering in plants. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I am going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you. Please visit my channel again and again. Thank you.